First, you need a field at least 6 inches tall, preferably dry.
Now you want to draw your crop circle on paper. To draw a 20 by 20 square on your graph paper.
Figure out the measurements using the scale factor, which is 1 block is equal to 10 feet in the real world. The radius of the circle we concluded was 8 blocks on paper. The area was 201.4 blocks, and the circumference was 150 blocks. Up here are the paper measurements, the radius, the circumference, and the area on circles 1, 2, and 3. And here are the real world measurements. On circle 1 on paper, the radius was 8 blocks, the circumference was 150.1, and the area was 201.4.
The real world measurements for the first circle, the radius is 80 feet, the circumference is 1,500 feet, and the area is 2,000.
The materials you're going to need are a wooden plank used to flatten down the field of grass, and a rope which is attached to the wooden plank for easy access. When you go onto your field, you need to measure a 20 by 20 and mark it, and then you need to, one person needs to stand at the center, and radius, which we calculated for all of the circles. Circle 1 was 80 feet, 2 is 50, and 3. So you're going to want to go out 20 feet for circle 3, 50 feet for circle 2, and 80 feet for circle 1. Make sure your rope is not stretchy, because it could really mess up the measurements.
I put this flag in the center of the circle.
I'm the one that holds the rope.
I use a non-stretchy rope to walk around the circle.
Then I place the flags on the outside of the circle.
I have to mark the rest of the circles because we can't actually knock down the grass because it's the middle of winter.
This is our grass stopping.
Caitlin. You feel me? Okay. Now we have marked the center of the circle, and we have the person at the center. Right now they are marking the outside because it is the middle of winter over here, so we don't exactly have tall grass. So we're using orange flags as markers. So now we are marking the outside of the circle using orange flags.
I'm recording.
This is what you use to knock down the grass if it was taller.
So he is going around the outside of the circle to form the rim. However, we do not exactly have tall grass, so he's attempting.